Ladies over 40, imagine slashing your beauty budget in half while unlocking that youthful, radiant glow you've been chasing with expensive serums and creams. What if I told you the secret weapon is already hiding in your medicine cabinet? A humble jar of Vaseline. That's right, this underrated powerhouse can replace your makeup remover, highlighter, lip balm, brow gel, and over 20 other products cluttering up your vanity. But most of us are only tapping into 1% of its potential, wasting money on fancy alternatives that don't deliver. Stick around as we uncover 25 mind-blowing hacks that'll have you wondering why you ever splurged on those overpriced potions. These tips aren't just clever, they're game changers for mature skin, helping you look and feel fabulous without breaking the bank. Let's dive in. Confrontation and building tension. Let's kick things off with a revelation that'll flip your beauty routine upside down. You know that inevitable dewy glow celebrities flaunt on the red carpet? It's not from a $1,000 serum. It's often just Vaseline. Here's the catch no one talks about. While petroleum jelly is a superstar at locking in moisture and protecting your skin, most people mess it up big time. Dermatology insights reveal that overloading it, skipping prep steps, or applying at the wrong time can lead to lackluster results or even clogged pores. Done right though? It's a natural, affordable ally for women over 40 battling dryness, fine lines, and dullness. Get ready to master it with these hacks. Number 1. The makeup artist's secret professional makeup artist swear by Vaseline as a highlighter. Warm a tiny dab between your fingers and pat it on your cheekbones, nose bridge, and Cupid's bow. Boom! That lift from within glow that turns heads and makes your skin look years younger. Number 2, the eyebrow transformation for fuller, polished brows that frame your face beautifully. Smooth a smidge of Vaseline through them with a spoolie. It tames flyaways and reflects light for up to 30% thicker looking brows. Perfect for combating age-related thinning. Number 3, the lip hack that changes everything. Blend a drop of your go-to lipstick with Vaseline for a custom tint. It lasts longer, hydrates deeply, and gives that fresh, just bitten look. A must for dry, mature lips. Number 4, the cuticle crisis solution. Hands give away your age first. Massage Vaseline into cuticles nightly. In a week, they'll be softer, healthier, and more youthful, helping your hands match your vibrant spirit. Number 5, the mascara miracle. Coat lashes lightly with Vaseline before mascara for 50% more volume and length. It's like a natural booster for sparse lashes, minus the clumping. Number 6, the perfume longevity secret. Dab Vaseline on pulse points before spritzing perfume. It locks in the scent all day, so you'll smell amazing without reapplying. Ideal for busy days. Number 7, the shoe emergency. Fix blisters from new shoes. Vaseline creates a friction barrier, letting you break them in pain-free. No more hobbling through your active lifestyle. Number 8, the hairstyling game changer. Tame frizz and add shine by smoothing a pea-sized amount over styled hair. For women over 40 with hormonal changes causing dryness, it's a lightweight savior. Number 9, the makeup removal revolution. Melt away waterproof makeup with Vaseline. No harsh rubbing that wrinkles delicate skin. Gentle, effective, and skin-soothing. Number 10, the nail polish hack. Rim nails with Vaseline before polishing for easy cleanup. Salon-perfect results at home, keeping your hands looking polished and young. Number 11, the dry skin savior. Layer Vaseline over moisturizer on elbows, knees, and heels. It boosts hydration by 40%, healing rough patches overnight for smoother, healthier skin. Number 12, the razor burn solution. Swap shaving cream for Vaseline. Better glide, no burn, ultra smooth legs. A wellness win for irritation-prone, mature skin. Number 13, the jewelry protection. Coat costume jewelry with Vaseline to prevent tarnish and skin reactions. Keep your accessories sparkling as long as you do. Okay, we're only halfway through, but these hacks are already revolutionizing how you care for your skin and hair. But don't click away yet. The next ones get even better, tackling everything from stretch marks to lash growth. And wait till you hit number 25. It's the ultimate glow-up for mature skin that you'll want to try tonight. Keep watching to unlock them all and transform your routine. Number 14, the zipper fix. Stuck zipper on your favorite outfit? Lubricate with Vaseline for smooth gliding. Saves time and frustration in your daily hustle. Number 15, the leather conditioner. Buff scuffs on leather goods with Vaseline. They look brand new, extending the life of your wardrobe essentials. Number 16, the smoky eye intensifier. Prime your lids with Vaseline before dark shadow for bolder, crease-free drama. Elevate your evening look effortlessly. Number 17, the lash growth enhancer. Nightly Vaseline on lashes conditions them, reducing breakage for fuller, healthier growth over time. No pricey serums needed. Number 18, the stretch mark minimizer. Massage into stretch marks daily. It locks in moisture, improving texture and fading visibly for more confident skin. Number 19, the makeup setting trick. Pat Vaseline on high points post-makeup for a dewy, natural finish. It blurs fine lines, giving that perfect skin illusion. Number 20, the eyeshadow primer. Use as a base for vibrant, long-lasting shadow. Pro secret for all-day wear without fading. Number 21, the lip scrub base. Mix with sugar for a gentle exfoliator. It softens lips, prepping them for color and combating winter dryness. Number 22, the highlighter intensifier. Layer under highlighter for mega glow. It amplifies luminosity on mature skin without looking greasy. Number 23, the eyelash curler helper. Warm your curler, add Vaseline to your lashes, then curl. You'll get dramatic, lasting lift for wide-awake eyes. Number 24, the makeup brush cleaner. Swirl brushes in Vaseline, then soap wash. It removes buildup, keeps tools hygienic for flawless application. Number 25, the final secret. Blend Vaseline into foundation for dewy coverage. It adds moisture and youthfulness. It's ideal for 40-plus skin that craves hydration. And there you have it. 25 genius Vaseline hacks that can supercharge your health and wellness routine today. All from one affordable jar you likely already own. These tips save money, simplify life, and deliver real results for glowing, youthful skin and hair. Which hack are you rushing to try first? Drop it in the comments below and share how it works for you. I love hearing your stories. If this video sparked joy or saved you cash, smash that like button, subscribe for more practical wellness secrets for women over 40, and turn on notifications so you never miss out. Oh, and spread the love. Share this with a friend who deserves these game changers. They'll thank you. For even more natural, budget-friendly tips, head over to my video on 10 easy home remedies for better sleep after 40 right now. Click the link in the description and keep the wellness journey going. See you there.